Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Hope all is well. In this video, we are going to be repainting and repairing this deck. The paints, it's kind of going to be like the same color, a little glossy, a little lighter. And then as far as repairing it, we're going to replace the beams at the bottom, some of them. Some of the beams under that hold the deck together, they have been rotted out over time by the rain and water. So we're gonna replace those. We're also gonna paint those. They have brackets attached to them to keep them up. So we're gonna also replace the brackets associated with those boards that we're going to be taking loose. Yeah, so this project, it lasted about, I don't know, 3 or 4 days. We used plenty of screws, used a big drill. But all in all, it was a fun project. So throughout the video, we're gonna show you before and after pictures. Hope you guys enjoy it. And thanks for watching as always. Please click that like and subscribe button and enjoy the show.
You know they're gonna fall down.